Hey guys, I'm back to tease your brain. Let's see whether you are strong enough to handle my teasers. Without wasting any time, pick up a paper and pen, and get yourself ready to answer my reasoning question. Are you ready? Look at these numbers. These numbers follow some pattern. Try to guess the pattern and find the missing number. Don't skip the video. This question isn't that much tough. At least, try to solve the question. Let me give you a hint. Watch the patterns of letters. Did you guess the answer? The missing number is 27. How? The pattern is hidden in rows. Look at the first row. 5 into 1 plus 6 into 1 equals 11. Similar pattern is applied on the second and third row too. If you like the video, then go and hit the like button. Share this video with your friends too. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to stay updated with our latest videos.